finally the specialty of VIG, which is the Dal Pakwan. As you can see, there's the dal with the dhania and pudine ka chutney. This is the pakwan, and there's some onion and chutney on the side. So there's a way to eat it, which I've been told. So first I'm going to mix all of this up. So you break some of the pakwan, put it in this. Dhania pudina chutney is fabulous with it. This is the perfect crunchy bit. It's a little bit spicy in the end, but I love it. I'm having the chola pattice with the pav. So let's see how this is. Okay, that looks nice and deep fried. Hot, but tastes really good. Pav. That's the secret, I think, to this. This is the mixed kulcha with cheese. It has so much cheese and paneer on it. Let's go. Rich and heavy. I'm in heaven. Dal Pakwan is obviously my favorite, but this is definitely a second favorite.
So when do you start the restaurant?
We started at around 1948, 49 by my great grandfather actually.
What is VIG?
VIG's speciality, we make 7 to 8 items, that's it, and everything is special for us. We make Dal Pakwan, we have Parathas, then we have Chola Bhatura, we have Pulao, and we have a big glass of lassi, that is Punjabi lassi.